Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your HP OfficeJet Pro 8730 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser, and in the Google search, you want to search for HP OfficeJet Pro 8730 support and search for it. Best result should be an HP support page that says HP OfficeJet Pro 8730 all-in-one printer series. Open that up. And now on this page, go underneath the support category that says software and drivers. And then scrolling down again, select the HP OfficeJet Pro 8730 all-in-one print and scan driver and accessories and download that. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file to run it. And if you receive a user account control prompt, should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then proceed with the on-screen wizard here of getting your device configured to your printer and just any applicable software you may want to install with the printer. You can just continue on and customize that package here. Just a pretty straightforward process through the wizard. You just follow along step by step, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.